Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nida Fitriah. I'm from Accounting 21A. In this video, I will fulfill an assignment from a business analyst course with Miss Lina Herlina Lestur, which is to explain of present favor that have that I have made. Next, here I will explain the definition of tax first. Tax is a mandatory contribution to the state that is awarded by an individual or entity that is qualified. The definition of tax as quoted from the official website of the Director General of Tax of the Ministry of Finance is a mandatory contribution to the state awarded by an individual or entity that is forecast under the law. The definition of tax itself is a simple mandatory levy from the people for the state. The condition of the tax is to finance expense. Tax benefits are used to care of development to pay the salaries of civil servants. Taxpayers do not get a direct imbalance where the money collected from tax is used from state not for the greatest property of the people. And next, definition of the COVID-19 pandemic, an epidemic that occurs simultaneously everywhere, covering a wide geographical area, and starting from the city of Wuhan, precisely in China. A new type of virus has spread to various countries in the world, which caused the emergence of coronavirus disease 2019, or also known as COVID-19. Of course, this condition should not be taken lightly and left alone. Pandemic is an epidemic that has spread to various continents and countries, generally affecting many people. While epidemiology itself is a term that has been used to determine of a sudden increase in the number of cases of disease in a certain population. And next, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on tax payment. Weak economic condition during the COVID-19 pandemic result in a decline in tax revenue in Indonesia. The government seeks to increase economic activity by providing tax incentive program to taxpayers affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. And next, analyze method. Qualitative descriptive research in the method used by research with the aim of finding theory from the the qualitative descriptive method was taken because this study analyzed by collecting data and describing what the impact of the COVID-19 was on tax payment in Indonesia. And next, data cost, data search, data used in research method is secondary data. Sugiano, secondary data is a search that does not directly provide data to data collector, but through intermediaries. For example, 2 or 3 tag person or tribe document. The data used in this study is tax payment from each religion during the COVID-19 pandemic. And next, result analyzing activity relate to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on tax payment in Indonesia. And this the data I have found at the BPPD Sidoarjo Regency in 2018, 2020. In the data, it is clear that the COVID-19 pandemic has affected tax revenue in the area. And number one, types of hotel tax in May 2018 and next May 2019 and last in May 2020. Next, type of restaurant, May 2018, May 2019, and May 2020. And next, entertainment and parking, groundwater, same in May 2018, May 2019, and last May 2020. And next, discussion of the role of tax in the current pandemic era. One, there is a paradigm shift. The government is quick to change the tax paradigm. The revenue function to regulation the function. There is a willingness to separate tax revenue in the context of economic condition. And next to the side of tax law shall basically be subject to what the economy is targeting. Yes, of course, pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic is effect to economic conditions. And 3, the provision of tax income type during a pandemic is prone to abuse and is not well targeting. So in COVID-19 pandemic, economic condition allow, yes. And 4, alright, it has the potential to increase expenditure does not mean it is irrational. Irrational. And I think this last consolation based on the results of a study entitled The Effect of the COVID Pandemic on Tax Payment in Indonesia. It can be concluded that tax in the most important element in the course of funding and finance the general expenditure of the country. Without such tax cannot make payment or serve the community. At the time, Indonesia COVID-19 pandemic has experienced a significant significant decline in terms of tax revenue because many business are closed, so many are always taxed. I think that all can I say to you, and more or less please forgive. And last I say thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.